Students, in this video you are going to learn about Ohm's law and limitations of Ohm's law. First we will see the statement of Ohm's law. So Ohm's law states that current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to potential difference. So potential difference is also known as voltage across the 2 points. So according to Ohm's law, the current flowing in a conductor, current through a conductor between points is directly proportional to potential difference or voltage across the 2 points and inversely proportional to resistance between them. So here according to Ohm's law, so V is proportional to I and V is proportional to 1 by R, or that is inversely proportional to resistance. So mathematically what we can write, V is equal to IR or I is equal to V by R. So when current I is the current through the resistor unit of amperes. Current we are measuring in terms of amperes. So V is the potential difference measured across the resistance. It is units are volts, and R is the resistance of the conductor. It is measured in terms of ohms. So here Ohm's law states that R in this relation is constant, resistance is constant. So here one more condition is that Ohm's law we can apply only for constant temperatures. So variable temperatures Ohm's law is not applicable. So those things we will discuss in the limitations. First statement. So Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the potential difference, that is called V. So I is proportional to V or V is proportional to I. Next one, inversely proportional to resistance between them at constant temperature. The condition is at constant temperature. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, you can write I is equal to V by R, we can write, right. So this is the statement of Ohm's law. This is one of important question. So definitely 100% they will ask in your examinations, right. And coming to the limitations of Ohm's law. So here we have 4 limitations. So first one is it does not hold true non-linear devices such as semiconductors and Zener diodes. So non-linear devices, we cannot apply the Ohm's law. So since non-linear devices temperature rises, that characteristics will vary. So that's what. So non-linear devices Ohm's law we cannot apply. So it does not hold true. So it does not hold true for non-linear devices such as semiconductors, diodes and Zener diodes. It is not applicable to non-metallic conductors such as silicon carbide. Non-metallic conductors are silicon carbide. Those materials is not applicable. So where the following relation is applicable: V is equal to K into I power. K and M are constants here. So not applicable for non-linear devices. Non-metallic conductors is not applicable. Ohm's law cannot apply to arc lamps. In arc lamps, so temperature rises, the brightness of the lamp will be rises. That's what Ohm's law is not applicable for arc lamps also. Next one, it does not hold good where the temperature rise is rapid in some materials. So temperature rises some materials. This the Ohm's law is not applicable. That's what Ohm's law statement itself we have to write at constant temperature. Current to the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference between two ends of the conductor. So V is proportional to I and inversely proportional to resistance. So those things you have to apply. Those things you have to explain. Okay. Next one, limitations. You have to these 4 points you have to write. Right. So this is a very important question. So generally they will ask for 6 marks. Statement is belongs to 2 marks and limitations is belongs to 4 marks. Okay. So this is the most expected question for your examinations. Okay. So once again we will see the Ohm's law. Since it is very important, once again we will revise this Ohm's law and limitations of Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to potential difference or voltage and inversely proportional to resistance between them. So mathematically what we can write, I is equal to V by R, where I is the current through the resistance. So current is unit is amperes and voltage unit is volts and resistance unit is ohms. So Ohm's law is applicable only for at constant temperatures. So this diagram also you have to draw, right. And limitations, coming to the limitations, So here we have 4 limitations. So it does not hold true for non-linear devices such as semiconductors and xenon diodes. So semiconductors temperature is increases, current flow will be increased. So those type of material Ohm's law is not applicable. It is not applicable to non-metallic conductors. Non-metallic conductors also is not applicable, such as silicon carbide, and where the following relation is applicable. So V is equal to K into I power M. V is equal to K into I power M, where the K and M are constant. Ohm's law cannot be applied to arc lamps. Ohm's law cannot be applied to arc lamps. It does not hold good where the temperature rises is rapid in some metals. So this is about Ohm's law and limitations of Ohm's law. So practice these two things, statement of Ohm's law and limitations of Ohm's law well. And in next video we will discuss about KVL and KCL. So Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law. So these two also very important for your examinations. Okay, thank you everyone.